Want to know how to delete all your videos from your watch later list at once? This quick trick can save you from removing them one by one. If your watch later list is packed with old videos, there's a much faster way to clear it. And I'll show you exactly where to find the tool you need. First, open YouTube in Google Chrome. Now open your watch later playlist. You can manually remove videos by clicking the three dots next to a video and then selecting Remove from Watch Later. But if you've got dozens or even hundreds of videos, doing that one at a time is going to take forever. So instead, we're going to use a Chrome extension to remove them in bulk. First, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then move down and select Extensions. From the Extensions menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. Alternatively, you can open the Chrome Web Store directly. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, click the search bar near the top. Now type Watch Later. Look through the results for the extension that provides the option to remove your Watch Later videos. Before installing any third-party extension, make sure you're comfortable with its permissions and check its current reviews and publisher information. If you want to use the same extension shown in this tutorial, I'll leave the link in the description so you can find it more easily. Once you've found the extension, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window may appear. Click Add Extension to continue. Give it a moment to finish installing. Once it's installed, go back to your YouTube Watch Later page. If you don't see the new option immediately, refresh the YouTube page. Now look at your Watch Later page. You should see a new option that allows you to remove the videos from the list. Click Remove All Videos. Give it a moment to process. And just like that, the videos can be removed from your Watch Later list without having to delete every video individually. If you only have a few videos, manually removing them is probably easier. But if your Watch Later playlist is packed with videos, using a bulk removal tool can save you a lot of time. Just remember that browser extensions are third-party tools, so always review their permissions and make sure you're using a source you trust. If this saved you some time, like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips and simple tech tutorials. And that's how you can quickly clear your Watch Later list instead of removing videos one by one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.